Friends, I am B. Sri Ramulu from Visakhapatnam from the BSR EG English Academy. I am a senior faculty in English language. I have already told you I have taught for 10th, intermediate, degree and all the competitive exams. Okay, presently I am living in Visakhapatnam, Kormannapalem. Now, in the previous video, we discussed past perfect tense, where it has to be used, where it should not be used, what was its structure, okay, and some situations where the past perfect tense has to be used, that we discussed. Today it is a part 2 of past perfect tense. Now, past perfect tense is also used with the words already, earlier, much earlier, never, before, many times, several times. Okay, all these are adverbs of frequency or adverbs of time. With all this we can use past perfect tense, that is had plus V3. Had plus V3, or that is had plus V3 form of the verb taken, given, brought, in that way. We cannot, I have already explained, with had we cannot use V2. I had took, we cannot write. We cannot write V1 also. I had take, I had takes, we cannot write. I had taken. V3 form only must be written, and had is the helping verb and taken is the past participle or V3 form of the principal verb. So these two constitute past perfect tense. Now, how it has to be used? What is another occasion where we use? I have already told you, already, with the words already, earlier, much earlier, never, before, many times, several times. These are all adverbs of either adverbs of frequency or adverbs of time. Okay. For example, I never saw such a leader before. So, here we should not use ago. Okay? Before. I never saw such a leader ago. If ago is there, this sentence is correct. Why? Here verb is V2. That is simple past tense. Okay? But here before is there. With before, we cannot use V2. See, saw, seen. Saw we cannot use, see we cannot use. Okay. What we have to write? I had never seen. Had plus V3. See, saw, seen. Such a leader before. So this is the hinting word. So when before is there, we cannot write V1 or V2, we must write had plus V3 only. That is what is called past perfect tense. He lived here for 10 years before. Okay, because here also before is there and some period of time is there. Okay, so we must use had plus V3, not V2. This is V2 we cannot write, we must write had plus V3. I advised him several times earlier. Okay, I advised him several times or many times means it is also repeated action. So here V2 we cannot write, had plus V3 only we must write. I had advised him several times earlier. I had advised him many times earlier. So because here earlier is there, you cannot write only simple past tense, that is V2. We must write had plus V3, that is what is called past perfect tense. She left the office earlier than I, the previous day. Okay, here if yesterday is there, the sentence is correct. But when you write the previous day and earlier is there, then we write had plus V3. Had plus V3. Next, what is the another occasion where we have to use past perfect tense? that is in direct and indirect speech. Suppose in direct speech, okay, suppose present perfect tense came, okay, so if present perfect tense is there, that is have plus V3 or has plus V3 is there in the direct speech. In indirect speech, when the reporting verb is past tense, so as a past equivalent of this present perfect tense, we use past perfect tense. It is a past equivalent of this one. Okay, what is the corresponding past tense of present perfect tense? Have has changed to had plus V3. That is past perfect tense. Suppose she said, I have completed the work. Here have plus V3 is there. Then she said that I changed to she. Have is changed to had. This is the past of had is the past of have or has. So have completed changed to had completed. In this way, in indirect speech, as a past equivalent of present perfect tense, we use past perfect tense. And as an equivalent of simple past tense also, in the place of simple past tense, that is V2, we use past perfect tense. Suppose he said, I did not take your bike. What is the verb here? Did take. Did plus take is equal to took. So simple past tense, that is also changed to had plus V3, that is past perfect tense. In this way, in direct speech, if present perfect tense is given, that is have plus V3 or has plus V3, or simple past tense is given V2 or did plus V1 in negative, then it is changed to past perfect tense only, had plus V3. Next, let us see what is the long form, what is the contraction or the short form or abridged form of had plus subject or had plus not. Suppose here I had taken, this is the long form. When you have to compress it, then only D will be written and V3 will be written. And it is I had taken. Here id. Its pronunciation is I id taken. That means I had taken only. And he had bought, had plus V3. This is short form is he'd bought. Okay. And she had not given. When not is there, it should be changed to int. This had should not be made short form. So had will be written had only, not will be written int, n apostrophe t, that is the short form of past perfect tense in negative. See, hadn't given. Suppose there is a confusion when I apostrophes id there, he apostrophes id is there, whether this is would or had. How to know it? So the difference between would and had in short forms. Now after will, what will come? V1, I will go, I will come, I will take. And will past is would. After would down low, after would also, we write only V1 only, not V3. So after would, could, might, we write I might go, you might go, he would go, he could go. So only V1 only we will write. Then when it is made short form, I apostrophe D will be written here, V1 only, take, not taken. From this we can understand this is would, not had. Because after had, what will come? V3 will come. Okay. So I had taken, its short form is I id taken. So here taken is there, that means it is had. Here take is there, it means it is would. Okay. She would buy. Buy, bought V1. So its short form is she apostrophe D, she would, she'd buy. And suppose if had is written, had plus V3 will come, buy, bought, third form. So she'd bought here. So when bought is there, it is had only, buy is there, it is would only. So in this way, we have discussed this past perfect tense, its structure, its usage and its short form, everything we have discussed. Still, you please go through these videos and thoroughly observe them, and any doubt is there, okay, please express your doubt in the form of comments, and please watch my videos, like these videos and subscribe them and share them, okay, and in this way you cooperate with me, please. Thank you.